Hello everybody, my name is Daniela DeMar and I chose to do Canty Technologies for my research paper because I thought they were a really great example of how a business should act in the event of a disaster. The employees were really well trained. They were able to recover really quickly without losing any business. In 2013, Canty Technology was struck by lightning. Thankfully, they had an airtight business plan and they were able to recover really quickly. The building caught on fire. Lots of equipment was destroyed, like cables and computer hardware. The building itself, though, did not burn to the ground, and nobody was harmed. The employers were able to recover really quickly because they had a business continuity plan. They were able to evacuate the building very quickly, and within a matter of days, they were up and running and back in business. They had 200 clients, and not one person even knew that there had been a disaster because they had done so well. They were able to set up an office in the conference room to continue business. For an IT company, a lightning strike was one of the worst things that could happen because they were at risk of losing customers, they were at risk of losing data, profits, and really everything had they not had a backup plan to recover their assets. And many other businesses have so much more to lose. There are a lot of excuses to not make a business plan, like money or time or manpower, but there's a lot more reasons to make a business plan in the long run because no one is immune from any kind of disaster, man-made or natural. And businesses need to do what makes financial sense for them. They will do their business plan based on their business impact analysis and risk assessment. An IT company will be very different from a car manufacturer company with their business continuity plan. But it's very important for all businesses, small, medium, or large. The IT company, Canty Technologies, is still in business because the owner decided to create a business continuity plan 5 years prior to the lightning strike. And he said that they would definitely not be in business had they not been more prepared. The story would have been had a different ending had they not created a plan. And that is all. Thank you.